In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a MasterCard gift card to Cash App. Start by opening up the Cash App on your phone and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, tap on your profile icon in the upper right corner of your screen. Then next is click on Link Banks. Next, click on Link Debit Card. Now here add in your card information, including the card number, expiration date, CVV from your MasterCard gift card. Once done, click on the Link Card button. Cash App supports most debit cards, but prepaid and gift cards usually won't link for transferring money in. However, some MasterCard gift cards can work for purchases inside Cash App. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!